This channel is printing views by reading science facts. With just 133 videos, he gained over 42 million views in less than a year. As you can see, his views are consistent: 6 million, 5 million, 4 million. Most of the shorts are above a million views. And you know what? This is an evergreen niche, and with time, the views only get multiplied. In this video, I'm going to break down the whole shorts system they are using to produce them in bulk to print views by using one awesome AI tool. So, before starting, like this video to support us. We do lots of hard work to give these exclusive new methods straight to you. Anyway, my plan is simple and straightforward. I will teach you how to produce viral science shorts using AI in minutes with an incredible tool. You might be thinking, how much editing does this video require? Well, guess what? I don't know anything about editing, but I can still create high quality science videos. How? Because I have a secret AI tool called VidAI that automates everything. Yes, you heard that right. And I'm going to show you exactly how you can produce these videos in bulk using this tool to finally monetize your channel. Not only that, at the end, I'll share how you can double your income using this exact same channel. So the name of the tool is VidAI, and it's so powerful that it can generate these types of science shorts in minutes. Let me show you step by step. First, I'll search VidAI on Google, or you can simply click on the first link in the description. Once I open the website, I'll sign up using my email ID. After signing up, you'll see an interface like this. Now, I'll create a new project by clicking here. VidAI has released 2 types of shorts generation tools so far, and they're planning to release more in the upcoming months. I'll click on Faceless Shorts and name the project Project Science 2025. Now you can see the box to input science facts. If you want, you can add your own interesting science fact by choosing a sample template and then tweaking it. But why waste time when AI can do it for you in minutes? Click on Script option, and now I'll give a simple prompt like this. Give me a mind-blowing science fact that people don't know. Now it's time for the voiceover. VidAI has multiple high-quality voice options for both male and female narrators. I will listen to a few and choose a deep, engaging voice that sounds perfect for science content. I am going with voice of Adam as it is popular and viral. Since curiosity-driven science facts go viral, AI will generate one instantly. Now I will choose a theme for the video. I will select the cinematic theme because it will realistic feel, and to be honest, these visuals increase engagement. So now everything is ready. I will hit the render button, grab a 2-minute coffee break. In the meantime, subscribe my channel to get these interesting videos every week, and boom, the video will be ready. Let's download it and watch it.
Did you know that honey never spoils? Archaeologists found pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are over 3,000 years old and still edible. And speaking of age, the oldest living organism is a 9,558-year-old tree called Methuselah, hidden in California's White Mountains. Did you know octopuses have 3 hearts? 2 pump blood to the gills, while 1 pumps it to the rest of the body. In space, you can't cry because your tears won't fall. They just form bubbles around your eyes. Bananas are berries, but strawberries aren't. Surprising, right? There's enough DNA in the average person's body to stretch from the sun to Pluto and back. The world's largest desert isn't the Sahara, it's Antarctica. A single teaspoon of honey represents the life work of 12 bees. Finally, wombat poop is cube-shaped.
It looks amazing. Now you can use these exact same steps to generate science shorts in bulk. All you need is a fact or a question. To find more viral topics, you can ask ChatGPT something like, give me 10 mind-blowing science facts that will shock people. It will generate multiple viral-worthy ideas, and you can tweak them as needed. Then you can create a high-quality science short in minutes using VidAI. Try it now from the first link in the description. And you know what, this small investment is totally worth it, as you don't need to pay to the script writer, editor, and voiceover artist separately. And not only this, as you can see, this video I generated took me less than 5 minutes. So you can upload 2 to 3 shorts daily to the results better than this channel. This is literally insane power of AI. Now it's time to reveal my secrets, that is how to double your income from science shorts. The one-word answer for this question is upload long-form videos. Yes, you can combine 5 to 10 science shorts, or make a new long-form explaining deeper scientific concepts, or you can scale the long-form with the help of editors. As you know that long-form videos pay more through AdSense. You've probably seen channels like SciShow. They master the art of turning scientific curiosity into viral content. Take inspiration from them and apply it in your channel to play this game really big. The best part, you don't need fancy production. Just brainstorm engaging, curiosity-driven topics. Take a look at viral science shorts, analyze them, and check out popular long-form science videos to understand what's working. And simply produce the script from ChatGPT, do a simple voiceover from 11 Labs, and hire a freelance editor to go all in. Then replicate the formula and apply it to your own channel. I guarantee that if you dedicate yourself to this, you'll start seeing results in just 30 days. This is a golden opportunity in 2025. Make your science content unique, tap into people's curiosity, and start uploading today. Now go create your first AI-generated science fact short and start your journey. And don't forget to check out VidAI, try it yourself, and then make your decision. The secret to success is to start before you're ready. Consistency is key. Upload regularly, experiment, and keep improving. Your next video could be the one that changes everything. I see that many of you watch my videos and don't subscribe. So do subscribe to my channel as it motivates me to produce more videos. Hit the like button. If you really like this video and stop waiting, start creating.